Why do humans exist? Not just how, but why? Is there a reason you're here right now, watching this? Or is everything, your thoughts, your dreams, your struggles, just the result of random events that started billions of years ago? Because if that's true, then nothing was ever planned. Not you, not humanity, not even this moment. Let's break it down, honestly. But before I break down, make sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and allow notifications so that you won't be left out whenever I upload. Okay, let's get started. The universe. No intention. From an atheist perspective, the universe didn't begin with a purpose. It began with an event. About 13.8 billion years ago, the Big Bang. No intention, no plan, just physics unfolding. Energy expanded, matter formed, stars ignited, galaxies collided. For billions of years, the universe was just doing what it does. No direction, no meaning, just cause and effect. And eventually, in one ordinary galaxy, around one ordinary star, a small planet formed, Earth, the accident of life. Now, here's where things get interesting. On Earth, the conditions were just right. Liquid water, stable temperatures, the right chemicals. And somehow, through chemistry alone, life began. Not because it was meant to, but because it was possible. The first life forms were simple, microscopic, but over billions of years, something powerful shaped them. Natural selection. Random mutations occurred. Some survived, some didn't. The ones that adapted stayed. The rest disappeared. That process continued for billions of years. And eventually, it led to us, humans, not the goal. Here's the uncomfortable part. Humans were not the goal of evolution. We weren't the end product. We are just one branch on a massive tree of life. If you rewind time and let it play again, there's no guarantee humans would exist. In fact, it's more likely that we wouldn't. We are the result of countless random events. Asteroid impacts, climate shifts, genetic mutations. Change one small thing, and you don't get humans. You get something else. So from this perspective, we are not special in the way we often think. We are rare, but not intended. The harsh truth. So what does that mean? It means there is no built-in purpose. No cosmic script written for your life. No invisible force guiding you toward a destiny. You weren't placed here. You weren't chosen. You exist because the universe allowed it. And for a lot of people, that feels empty, even scary, because it removes something comforting, the idea that everything happens for a reason. The shift. Meaning is created, but here's where the perspective changes. If there is no predefined meaning, then meaning doesn't disappear. It becomes yours to create. Think about that. If nothing matters by default, then anything can matter if you decide it does. Your goals, your discipline, your relationships, your growth. These things don't come from the universe. They come from you. You are a conscious being in an unconscious universe, and that gives you something powerful, the ability to choose what matters. Freedom and responsibility. This idea comes with two sides. Freedom and responsibility. Freedom, because no one has predefined your path. Responsibility, because you can't blame the universe for a lack of direction. There's no script to follow, no guaranteed outcome, just choices every single day. And those choices slowly build your life. So why do humans exist? From an atheist perspective, there is no ultimate why. We exist because of physics, chemistry, and time. That's it. But now that you're here, now that you're conscious, now that you can think, decide, and act, the real question isn't why you exist. It's, what are you going to do with it?